A very warm welcome to everyone. Today, we, the hummingbirds, are excited to present our innovative solution to the problem statement we have taken on microdoppler based target classification. With the increasing prevalence of unmanned aerial vehicles posing significant risk to privacy and security, the need for advanced systems that enhances situational awareness has become critical. And that's where our solution comes in. We proudly introduce Drone View. At the heart of Drone View is a deep learning model that processes the spectrogram images of microdoppler signatures from a target. It then classifies the object and determines whether it is a bird or a drone. But we didn't stop there. Our solution goes even further. It's been trained to identify specific types of drones, including those with 3 long blades, 3 short blades, 2 blades, and even RC planes. In addition to its core functionality, DroneView offers additional features like decentralized storage for secure data management, AR visualization for real time drone tracking, and AWS SNS for instant alerts and automated responses to potential threats. Let's see the working of our project. At first, we receive radar signals which are then fed into web socket pipelines using a load balancer. The analog signals are converted into digital data via ADC and stored as spectrogram image in an AWS S3 bucket. These images are crucial for training and testing our deep learning model, which powers the drone versus bird classifier. Finally, using AWS Lambda and SNS, we deliver scalable, real-time alerts to connected devices and display results on our website. Now, let's take a glance on what we have achieved. This image illustrates the performance of our machine learning model, which excels in object detection and classification. The test analysis table highlights key metrics like precision, recall, F1 score, and support across object classes. Notably, the bird class achieves a perfect score of 100% in all metrics. With an overall accuracy of 92.7%, our model demonstrates strong and reliable classification performance. In conclusion, DroneView presents a robust and efficient solution to UAV detection and classification, addressing critical security concerns with precision.
Before we conclude our presentation, we would like to demonstrate our prototype model. Note that we also have a prototype for AR model, and the entire code is published in our GitHub repository. All of these links are provided in the PDF. We would like to encourage the user to try out our model too. Here we also have a bank of test image dataset one can test our model on. For example, I have used an image and the model has successfully predicted it as a RC plane. With this, we conclude our presentation. A very big thank you. Hope you like it and have a wonderful day ahead.